Hello, I'm Bruce Bishop, the owner and general manager of It's Maid Day. This year we started a new program to help bring some joy into the lives of people in our communities by providing a free spring cleaning. We sent an email to our hundreds and hundreds of recurring customers in the Atlanta metro area asking to nominate someone who could really use some joy. We didn't get a lot of names this first year, but we did select 3 great families and put together a short video with their responses after seeing their homes looking its best after a spring cleaning by It's Maid Day. We will do this every year moving forward, so keep an eye out for the announcement next January to nominate someone you know who could use some joy in their life.
Is you guys gave us some free time because we have 3 foster kids, and they're 3, 1.5, and 1.
Wow.
So most of my time spent with them, with their health issues and different things. So you gave us some time to be able to just enjoy ourselves. So
Awesome.
I so appreciate it. I was thinking when I came home, like, where can we go to dinner? Because I don't want everything a mess already.
Right.
So hopefully we can get through the weekend at least and keep it clean.
So we brought some joy into your life.
Huge joy. Yes, thanks. It's May Day.
I am just so amazed, truly blessed. I would recommend It's May Day to anyone. They did a fantastic job. Thank you so much.
Did it bring some joy into your life?
It definitely did. For a busy mom that's working full time and taking care of a toddler, it helped me out so much. The bathrooms are sparkling clean. The whole house just smells amazing. All of the doors, the woodwork has been wiped down. It almost just feels like a new house. The vents, there was so much dust. It doesn't even seem like there is like a speckle of dust left. The whole house is like sparkling.
Yeah.
And I'm just so happy.
The house looked great.
Hasn't looked this good in a long time.
Long time. Looks great, smells great, and it really makes me want to be a customer going forward. I have a good baseline. Everything just looks so clean and smells so clean. Awesome. And thank you so much. It was a lot of work.
So we brought some joy in your life.
You brought a lot of joy into my life. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. The cabinets are amazing. It's just this, and yeah, this looks great.
All of it.
All of it.
Well, as a parent and a grandparent, how many grandchildren do you have?
Between us, we have 18.
18 grandkids. So that means you're probably pretty busy all the time.
I think in the last 6 months I've been in and out of the hospital most of the time, so she's had a pretty tight schedule.
It's busy. It's busy. The gentleman who recommended me for this, he had been every time that he would say, "The maid's coming tomorrow. I'm so excited."
Right.
And I was like, "I want that." Thank you. It's Maid Day.